Are you looking to have a video editor through which you can blur an image? I mean, in a presentation or in a video clipping, you want to have an image or a place blurred. This could be a face part, or it could be in the presentation, like if there is confidential information related to a password or something, you need to blur it. Suppose, for example, in this one there is some confidential information over here. I've just blurred it. So let me play this video. It will be blurred because when it goes to the next screen or somewhere, that blurring should be not present. So it should be blurred only till a certain moment of time. So here it is not blurred, the same part is not blurred. So to do that, yes, you can use the YouTube video editor. You can use the YouTube video editor, which has the facility to blur a part of the screen, or if it can even, you can blur faces as well. So let's look how to go about doing that. What you need to have is that you need to have an account with Google. And yes, once you have an account with Google, you can access the YouTube as well. So now I have logged into the YouTube. So yeah, get into your YouTube Studio. You need to get into that, and you need to upload the video file on which you want to blur the image. So let me take this one. The first one is what I wanted to blur a certain part of the video clipping. I want to blur it. So I've already uploaded. So you got to, if you have not, yeah, you need to go into the create and upload the video. And the most important one is because it's available in YouTube in the cloud, it is free. So yeah, to any video bloggers or to anyone who is creating a course and you want it to be cost effective, you don't want to spend money, yes, the recommended one is of course the YouTube video editor. So click on that, and once you click on the specific video, go to the editor part. So on the editor, this is what on the top you have the actual video, and the bottom you have different frames, minute by minute, second by second, it is available at the bottom. And you have the blurring feature, add blur. So you have two options over here. You can face blur or custom blur. This case I don't have a face, so I'm going to do a custom blur. So click on custom blur. That gets enabled. So only thing is, you need to decide at what point of time you want to have the blurring working. Say for example, suppose I want the blurring to work from first minute. I just click add blur, custom blur. Yeah, then you can first minute is what I want to have. So I wanted to have a blur over here. This is the image I wanted to blur. I just wanted to blur it till you need to decide. Watch the video and decide. And suppose I wanted to have the blur in place only till 1.5 minutes. I can drag the bar towards the left, so it's approximately about 1.5 minutes. So this one I can always delete. So only this is present. So that is starts around the first minute, and yeah, it should work for about 1.5 minutes. You can, whatever you want, you can drag and drop the bar over here. So now if you play the video, let's play it and see. The blurring should start from minute 1. So it goes on. Let me take it over here so that we know it works. So initially it comes, and then yes, it is blurred now. So it is blurred now. So till it completes this part, it is going to be blurred, and once it crosses about 132, the blurring will get removed. So let's wait and see what happens. So it's nearing that, and yeah, once it crosses, because blurring is not there, we have not included, it gets displayed. So depending upon the screen, if you have a confidential information like your banking information, or this could be a password, and you are making a presentation, or you are creating some kind of a content for YouTube upload, or be it a course creation, then you could use this. This feature is available with YouTube, which is of course free of cost. You have different options. One is rectangle, you have a oval option as well. I hope this feature is quite useful, particularly for the video bloggers and course creators. On top of it, no installations is required, and it's free of cost. Thank you.